In this video, we are going to test the multicollinearity property in a regression equation. Okay, so first of all, as I told you that the video will be based on uh, how to check the multicollinearity problem. So before doing that, I need to check or I need to run the OLS model first. Okay, so for that, I need to select all my dependent variable and independent variable. So I will first choose my dependent variable, that is my GDP. Then I will choose my independent variable. First one is FDI, second is export, and third one is CPI. Okay, then click open, then open as equation. Okay, so in this dialog box I have already uh, put my regression equation. In this method box, I have considered ordinary least square and my sample period is 1996 to 2015. Okay, then I need to click OK here. Okay, so this is my what? This is my OLS output. So here it is clearly written here dependent variable gross domestic product. The method used here is ordinary least square. The sample is from 1996 to 2015 and the number of observation is 20 years. Okay, so here the variables column, I have FDI as my first independent variable, export is second, CPI is my third independent variable, and C for constant. Okay, independent variable is GDP as I already mentioned here. So this is the probability value, and as the rule of thumb, as the exports probability value is less than 0.05 and it is clearly show a statistically significant relationship uh, between export and our GDP. Okay, and export is also positively affecting the GDP, having a value of 77.72. Then CPI is having a negative as well as insignificant relationship with GDP. Then FDI is having a negative as well as insignificant relationship with GDP. Here in R square, we have 77%, which is quite good. Um, I can say that all my three independent variables are jointly explaining my dependent variable, that is GDP, up to 77%. Okay, and here we have a statistic, and the probability value of a statistic is less than 0.05, and we can conclude here that our model is fitted well. And coming to the Durbin Watson test, we have less than 1.9 and 1.5 as suggested by many researchers. But as I already mentioned in earlier video that I have considered the value between 1.9 to 2.1. If the Durbin Watson value statistics varies between 1.9 to 2.1, there is no problem of autocorrelation. But here it is less than that, and here it is 0.61. So it is clearly stating that there is a problem of autocorrelation. Okay, but the objective of this video is not to check this, but the objective is to find out whether my three independent variables, that is FDI, export, and CPI, are uh, facing a multicollinearity problem or not. For that, I need to go here view first, then I have to click here coefficient diagnostic, then I have to click variance inflation factor. So again, I am telling you, first go to view, then go to coefficient diagnostic, then go to variable inflation factor. Okay, this is the output sheet of BIF. Okay, so I have already taken this result to my note, so I am discussing here. Okay, so this is the BIF table. Okay, okay, 1 minute please. Mm, okay, so here, look here, this is the heading. This is called centered VIF. Okay, For writing in a research paper, we have to consider the centered VF value. Okay, so in FDI, the centered VF value is 2.06. The export centered value VF is 2.01. CPI's centered value is 1.03. Okay, so as per the rule of thumb and as per the suggestion given by many researchers in the field of social science, many renowned author as well as researcher have considered in the research paper, that is if the centered VF value is less than 10, there is no problem of multicollinearity. If the value is more than 10, so there is a severe multicollinearity problem. Okay, so 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 as you clearly see that all my three independent variable is having less than 10 value of centered VF. Okay, so I can clearly conclude here that my model is free from multicollinearity. Okay, so you can ask me what is multicollinearity. So it is nothing but it is nothing but if uh, if um, if two or more independent variable if two or more independent variable um, correlate with each other. Okay, so here in a particular case, suppose if FDI and export both are having what are having uh, severe multicollinearity problem, then it will give a spurious regression. Okay, so the problem of multicollinearity arises when there is a high correlation between our independent variable, but as the result suggests, there is a, there is no problem because all the value are below 10. So my model is here free from multicollinearity. Okay, so this is all about today's video. Thank you.